So, good evening students. Here a farmer wishes to start a 100 square meter rectangular garden. This is a rectangular garden. Its area is 100 square meters. Then he wants to put the fencing using 30 meter barbed wire. 30 meter wire இருக்கு. அதை வச்சுட்டு he wants to put the fencing and treat fourth side as a compound wall. Compound wall வந்து அந்த ஹவுஸோட compound wall it is treated as the fourth side. So for these three sides, the sum of the three sides is equal to 30 meters. That is y plus x plus y equal to 30 meters. Here we will let x be the length, x meter be the length and y be the breadth of the rectangular field. So given y plus x plus y equal to 30 meters. So using the wire, he is making the fencing like this. Y, length is x, breadth is y, again this breadth is y. So y plus x plus y equal to 30 meters. So 2y plus x equal to 30 meters or x is equal to 30 minus 2y or 2y equal to 30 minus x or y equal to 30 minus x by 2. X is வச்சுக்கலாம் அல்லது y நம்ம வச்சுக்கலாம். Next it is given this area is 100 meters. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle it is given as 100 square meter. So area means we know the formula length into breadth equal to 100 square meter. So x into y equal to 100. So instead of y you are writing 30 minus x by 2 equal to 100. Take 2 that side. So x minus 30 minus x equal to 200. You are taking 2 to the next side. X into 30, 30x, then minus x square equal to 200. So next you are writing, you change the sign, any one side only you are changing the sign. So this side we are changing the sign because minus x square. To avoid this, we write x square minus 30x. 200 is same plus only because we are changing any one side only. ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் இப்படி கொடுத்திருந்தா ஏதோ ஒரு சைடு மட்டும்தான் சைன் சேஞ்ச் பண்றோம். So multiply பண்ணா 200. Here add பண்ணா you are getting 30. Isn't it? So 20, 10. You can take simple only 20, 10. 20 into 10, 200. 20 plus 10. Here we are taking minus because it is given minus. So you put minus sign. Here that's the x only. So x minus 20, x minus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 10. Two answers we have got. So yes, you can substitute this in equation 1. So when x is equal to 20, then y equal to 30 minus 20. Instead of x, you are writing this x equal to 20 by 2. 30 minus 20, 10. So 10 by 2, so if you cancel 5. So one set of value, when x equal to 20 meter, y value is 5 meter. So the rectangle can be formed with x value as 20 and y value as 5 meter. That is length equal to 20, breadth equal to 5. 20 into 5, 100. If you want to verify the answer, here it is given area is 100 square meter. So if you multiply this, you are getting this 100. 20 into 5, you are getting 100 square meter. Next come to that side. Here x equal to 10. So here you write y equal to 30 minus the x is better you are writing 10 by 2. So 30 minus 10 20 20 by 2 10. So y value 10. So when x value 10 meter, y value also 10 meter. 10 into 10 100. Therefore the length equal to length of the rectangle 10 and the breadth of the rectangle. That means here it becomes a square because both dimensions are same. So it becomes a square. So one set of answer 25, another set of answer 10, 10. So we want to check the answer. It is given as here. So both are correct. So this answer is correct. You please go through this sums. Thank you, students.